Okay, and then wow. So hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Simon, and here we do inspiration, we do motivation, we talk to each other, we have those different talks, we talk about things that are happening in the world, we talk about inspiration. Majorly, the main purpose of this channel is to help us discover our true self, that we may inspire others to do the things that inspire them. So if that is something that you're into, consider joining us by clicking the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and you will be notified every single time when I post. Otherwise, for today's video, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for everyone that celebrated me on my birthday. My birthday is usually on the 5th of April, and I'm grateful to God. Now I'm 22 years, man. We are growing. We are aging gracefully. And beyond. Today, I was actually supposed to make this a little bit back. Today it's the 18th of April, it's a Sunday, and yesterday I received a message from Jumia that my packages that I ordered for were ready. I have a friend of mine who stays in the United States, and his gift was to buy me a microphone. I'm so grateful, sir. God bless you. May He continue increasing you. I'm grateful. So thank you. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of the presents I got. Some I ate them, they are edible, so they're already gone. So today I'm just going to be unboxing some of the new equipment that I have now, that I'm going to be using on this channel. Okay, but before we go any further, Standard Chartered, it's one of the banks I bank with, and Standard Chartered bought me coffee, cappuccino, courtesy of Endiro coffee. I don't know if you can see that. Thank you, Standard Chartered. Thank you. The cappuccino is nice. Let's go to what brought us here, and that is unboxing what is in the package. Simple. Can you guess what this is? Excuse me. So I'm going to start with a small one, then we shall go on this big one. I don't know what is inside, but I know what I ordered for, obviously. So I don't have a pocket knife like Peter McKinnon and the rest of the YouTubers do, but I have a spanner. Oh god. So the spanner is called a screwdriver. I have a screwdriver, and just going to screw these things, and then you see what is inside. Just love the fabric. You feel that? It's so fragile. You better be recording. Oh, microphone. So this is called it's called a microphone. It's having noise reduction for recording vocals and acoustic instruments. So let's go to the next package. Now let's see what is in here. I keep finding voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Maybe I'm